Hello everyone, welcome to our video. I'm Cynthia.
I'm Akila.
I'm Ralph.
I'm Wish.
So today we're going to show you a video and we're only using one material, which is cardboard. We are using different types of cardboard such as cereal box, cardboard and a PVC board.
So, we are turning our main material into 3 items, which is calendar, a mini bookshelf and a picture frame. So enjoy the video.
Our first item is a picture frame. For picture frame, you will need a PVC board, wrapping paper, thumbnails, washi tapes, scissors, your favorite photos, and stickers. First of all, you need to wrap the PVC board using the wrapping. After that, decorate the cardboard as you like. I am going to decorate it with washi tapes. Lastly, pin or stick any of your favorite pictures. Put the stickers to make it look cheerful. Now it is ready to be set on the desk. 2, 3. Our second item is a mini bookshelf. You will need cereal boxes, notebooks, poster colors, ruler, pencil, paintbrush, scissors, glue, double-sided tape and washi tape. First, cut the cereal boxes into any shapes. Next, paint the box using your favorite poster colors and let it dry. Then, stick them by using double-sided tape or glue. Decorate it with washi tape and quotes with metallic marker pen. Also stick a memo. Now here it is. Now our last item is a calendar. You will need a piece of cardboard, numbers, memo pads, a ruler, a scissor, a cutter, a pencil, colored pens, washi tapes, and double-sided tape. First, stick the February tag. Start decorated with colored pens. Pin the numbers of the month with thumbnails. Also, pin some reminders on any dates. Now you're done!